In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe on Substack. Substack is an incredible platform that hosts a wide array of content from various writers, and subscribing is your key to accessing this treasure trove of information. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can get started right away. First, you'll want to navigate to the Substack platform. One of the great things about Substack is its extensive range of offerings. If you have a specific publication in mind, you can directly search for it using the platform's search functionality. This can include anything from a captivating newsletter to a publication by your favorite writer. Substack's design helps you find what you're looking for quickly and efficiently. Once you've located the publication that piques your interest, keep your eyes open for the subscribe button. On most publications, this button is prominently displayed on the home page, so it should be easy to spot. In some cases, especially with newsletters, you might also find this button within the publication itself. Clicking this button is your gateway to becoming part of that publication's community. It's the first step towards staying up to date with content you love. After you hit subscribe, you'll typically be asked to enter your email address. This is a crucial step because it confirms your interest in receiving updates and ensures that newsletters are delivered directly to your inbox. Make sure you use an email account that you check regularly, so you don't miss out on any future content. Some publications offer premium content, and if the one you're interested in does, you might have the option to upgrade to a paid subscription. This is often the case when a publication offers exclusive insights, in-depth reports, or high-value content. If you choose to go this route, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Rest assured, Substack is committed to protecting your information with secure processes, so you can subscribe with peace of mind. Finally, to complete your subscription journey, you'll usually receive a confirmation email. This is a simple yet significant final step that verifies your subscription. It's also a perfect opportunity to double-check that all your details are correct. Make sure to click on any links provided in the email to finalize everything and confirm your subscription. And just like that, you're officially a subscriber. Subscribing on Substack is designed to be both intuitive and seamless, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, enjoying the content. I hope this guide has clarified the process for you, making it easy to follow. Now, go ahead and dive into the world of unique and personalized content with Substack.